Okay, so in the previous video I showed you how I clip my nails with these clippers, and now I'm going to do a very important step. So I'm going to take the coarser side and then just shape the nail. But what I'm going to also do is to really get, you see what I'm doing? Under the corners, you can actually use the finer side here to make sure that the corners are not digging into the skin. Here. Can you see this? This is what happens sometimes. And when you use clippers, and this digs into the skin, and people think that they have ingrown toenails. I'm so sorry for the noises. I'm doing this outside and people are driving their scooters. Let's look at this one. I pull the skin back. You can see this. See this corner? So this is the reason why I absolutely love this file, because it's very thin and you can get into these little corners. You see? So I'm not really filing it around. I'm just making sure that the corners are not painful. Underneath, see? Here. And by the way, you can take this file, and if you have hard skin, you can just smooth it or reduce it a little bit here. You can use the fine side as well. Okay, underneath. So I get underneath and I have a bit of an angle. See? You have to kind of feel for it, because it's sometimes you can't even see it. So very often people would just kind of go like this, and they would not really try to get under the corners. A little bit here. And if you want to see the full pedicure video, I'm going to link it in the description box as well. See how I got underneath? Sometimes even with this file, there you go. You can go like this and get the corner. It's so thin. So I have these files in our online store. So if you're interested, you can definitely purchase them. Okay, so very quick tip. After you're done, I mean, this is totally optional because this is actually quite smooth. But if you want to, you can take our buffer block and just go and smooth the edges just like this. So I'm not on the nail, I'm just here, like this. And that's it. If you have any questions regarding this file, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.